Hi, my name is Mandeep. In this question, we'll use elimination process to find the answer. So first, we'll compare the answer choices, find the point of difference among the choices, and then eliminate the wrong ones. If you could see, the complete sentence is underlined, and if you look at the first few words, we have different beginnings. Normally, a sentence can begin in two ways. One, it could start with the modifier, or it could start with the subject. In such cases, normally we have two kind of errors. One, subject verb mismatch. When I say subject verb mismatch, there are two kind of mismatch. One is singular plural mismatch. Second is logical mismatch. Okay. Second type of error is modify subject mismatch. Okay. First, let's look at subject and verb. Okay. Now you don't need to read every sentence completely. You can work on the structure. In option A, having been, so it is starting with the modifier. So if it starts with a modifier, you need to have a comma and then you'll have the subject. And if we have a comma after the subject, I need to have second comma, after which I'll find the verb. So the asteroid named Ida was discovered. B says discovered in 1884, that's modifier, comma, subject, then we have second comma, another comma, and a verb. So here if you see, in A it says was discovered, and here it says is in the middle of. So is this simple present tense? We use simple present to state facts, and we are talking about a fact. So we need simple present in the main verb. We don't need simple past as the main verb. Eliminate A. Now look at C. In the middle, that's a modifier. So you have a comma. After that we'll have subject. So you have another comma. So after that we need another comma, after which we'll have the verb. In C we don't have the second comma after subject. That means verb is missing. Out. In D, the asteroid Ida, comma. So asteroid Ida is the subject. So you have a comma. So we need second comma, after which we'll have a verb, which is fine. In E it says Ida, comma. Again we have a modifier, and then we have a verb. So this is fine. But while reading E, I could see that we have and which. Now and which, if you have which after and, we need to have which before and I don't have which before and, which is not parallel. Eliminate E. We are left with B and D. And if you just look at the last part, is in the middle of the belt, is in the middle of the belt of asteroids that, of asteroids to orbit the sun, orbit the sun. So we have a very slight difference. It's that versus to. So it says it's in the middle of the belt that orbit the sun, not to orbit the sun. Okay, we don't need a purpose here. Okay, so we're talking about a belt of asteroids that orbit the sun. So 2 is wrong here, hence B is the correct answer. We had the same error in E as well, to orbit. So B is the correct answer. Thank you.